Hey everyone, Wesley DePorter from DePorter Detailing. Today we're going to be going over the basic tools, equipment, and products you need to wash your car properly. So first you need 3 wash buckets, wash, rinse, and wheel bucket. Inside each bucket you should have a grit guard. Grit guards are used to help entrap dirt, keep it at the bottom of your bucket so that way it's not floating around in your bucket. So when you dump your mitt in there, it doesn't lift up dirt and then you get dirt on your paint. Next, you need wash mitts. I usually use 2 wash mitts, one for the upper half of your car, one for the lower half of your car. Next, you also need car wash soap. Use a specific car wash soap, not a Dawn dish soap or anything like that. You should also have, of course, hose and a nozzle. If you live in areas where you can get road tar, have a road tar remover, and this is a bug towel, kind of like a bug sponge, but it's a towel, soft, so it won't damage your paint. Next, for wheels, you should have a wheel brush to clean the faces of your wheels. You should have a tire brush to clean your tires. You should also have, of course, product is wheel cleaner. And then some things that you can have but you don't need be a long handled brush to clean your wheel wells. What I use to clean wheel wells is all-purpose cleaner diluted 1:1 or half water, half all-purpose cleaner. Then you can also have wheel woolies, which are used to clean the barrels of your wheels, 2 different sizes for different size wheels. Another goodie you can have is a wash mitt that I use for wheels when needed. So it's good if you have intricate wheels where the other tools might not work. And of course, after you clean your tires, you're going to want tire shine, which usually I spray onto the applicator pad, wipe on, and apply. Of course, going back to the outside, you want a glass cleaner. And then, to dry, you want drying towels. You want microfiber drying towels. These are absorbent and soft, so they won't damage your paint. You can also have a drying aid. So this is Owner's Pride Ceramic Plus. It's a drying aid that also has a sealant in it, which lasts up to 3 months. So this makes it easier to dry your vehicle and leaves behind a layer of protection. Another essential is gloves. You want gloves because the chemicals that you are using to clean your car, you do not want on your hands or on your skin. Last but not least, you don't need this, but it's good to have, is a pressure washer. A pressure washer makes blowing off dirt, other debris really easy, and it's really quick. That is all I have for you. If you have any other questions or comments, drop them in the comments below, shoot me a message. Thank you and have a great day.